never do more than 5 Zambucas or it ends in tears.
Now this is what you get if you don't listen to the older boys.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door.
So, how do you feel, Geezer? How do you feel after 20 Zambucas? Let's have a look at the evidence.
The snow's coming down, I'm watching for lots of people around. Baby, please come home. The church bells in town, all ringing in song, full of happy sounds. Baby, please come home.
Leave him, he's a fucking leper.
What is over
He's a leper. Dirty leper bastard. You're better than him.
Chris? Of course I am.
Dave, my mother ate the pussy food.
David,
Dave.
we're doing scruffy cunt.
Joe, don't come mad at me. I ain't got no answer.
Chris, that's the best thing you've ever done.
No. I need a new Dave.
But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your own front door. Sure, it's Christmas once more.